We are in Dinan in Brittany.
Beautiful medieval town.
Yeah, we came in on the ship to Saint-Malo in the northern coast of France.
So we're about a half hour's drive to get here.
Yeah, and it's a beautiful medieval town. Lots of interesting buildings, and you can do a little shopping.
And we're just starting.
Yoloadventure, live your dreams, chase the sunsets, follow streams. One life, one chance, come explore. Yoloadventure, there's so much more. Dive in deep, climb up high, touch the stars, reach for the sky.
You see all the stone houses. Those are 19th century.
Avec son gros machin là, c'est un 14 mètres. Oui. Ah, c'est bien pour la Bretagne.
Today is Thursday, and on Thursday morning, of course, we have the weekly market that has been around for hundreds and hundreds of years. So it's nice to see the market, a little bit more complicated.
La moitié d'un quart, c'est possible. Oui, bien sûr.
Bonjour.
Oui. Oui. Narrow way. It's so cool. Look at that.
Yeah.
For enemies to come or fires breaking out. We have the cutting, and in this region by the Duke of Brittany. And the Duke was very happy with the people of Dinan. They get the privilege.
Pretty.
d'abord. Je mets de la sauce avec.
Nice or you? Yeah, it's maybe about 40 to 50 or 2 more for yes.
These are really good. Yeah, I'll help you out on that. So.
One more of these.
Thank you.
There's a lot of money.
Protected from the wind and nearly the different. Okay. Most of them fortified islands, fortifications of the 17th century.
Okay, I'm back already. Short and sweet. Have some beautiful pictures, a great big sailboat, and most important, the toilet.
Can you,
Have a ship side if
can you tell me where this boat is going?
It's going back to ship.
Which ship?
Our ship, Silver Dawn.
Oh, I want to go in the Norwegian Dawn.
Hello, sir.
Gentlemen, how are you?
Very well, sir.
Waiting for me?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Alright, this is the
Okay, mind the gap, please.
Mind the gap. Yeah. Sounds like a British. Thank you.
Where would you like to be?
Oh, yeah.
Right here?
Saint-Malo in France is called the Pirate City. Ship sails flooded in the breeze in the natural port of Saint-Malo, historic and resilient walled city, which watches over golden sands and island fortresses. Founded by a Welsh monk who made this way here in the 6th century, Saint-Malo's castle is forged from sheer granite, and his steep defensive ramparts rise definitively and defiantly across the ocean.
Behind the ship you see the silhouette of old part of Saint-Malo.
Wow, that's amazing.
We want to come back for the beach holiday, that's the place.
I did.
Yoloadventure.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video.
Yoloadventure. There's so much more.